Where's that?
North. Up by that IKEA that we went to.
The first
one, yeah. Probably about a 45-minute drive. All right.
Let me know. I might go. I'll drive my car.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do is remove these two bolts on the clamps.
Wait. Oh, broke.
I broke them loose already.
Kind of tried to give you bad directions.
Next, we're removing the driver's side short clamp.
I didn't loosen that one.
Come on, man. I put those on there with my hands.
Yeah, I'm surprised at how small diameter these drive shafts are.
Yeah. And these funky CV/U joints.
I mean, the Mustang drive shaft is quite a bit larger.
You know, that's one thing I haven't heard anybody talk about is the V-tier.
I saw one on one of the vendors where they come out with it. What are you doing your system when you get it? I mean, are you just scrapping it?
I don't know. I mean, is there even a market for something like that?
Some market. I mean, that's why Chaz, I was telling him if he wanted mine, I mean, he could just have it. But some guys want them for the RTs.
Okay, so now, well, we're going to still have to do this whole side because this pipe, this is all one section piece. All right, so now the next step is to remove the two hangers on this side. cutter, man. Done.
We got to make it reasonable. I don't think everybody has a plasma cutter.
Well, yeah, but not everybody's going to have a rack in their way either, so. All right, let's go up and down. Let me spread these clamps a little bit.
I mean, I don't have a plasma cutter. I got a MIG welder.
Oh, they're tack welded to the.
Are they?
Yep.
I don't want to mess up this here.
What?
This here, the back. It's still in there.
All right. It's moving. It has moved. All right. Just really don't have any way of getting any leverage to try this bar here. Patience, patience, patience. Get all the way back up here.
Ready for it?
Yep. And towards the center first. You can lift that ramp up to give yourself some clearance.
You got it?
Yep. No, they actually have a whole different clamping setup.
All right, what, did it take 15 minutes?
Maybe. 5 minutes. Oh, it doesn't say how long this has been going. Okay.
Probably about 15.
All right. Let's go look at the directions.
You want to pause it?
Yeah, I can edit it out.